What's up, guys? On this video and the last video in this success series on questions entrepreneurs ask before starting a business, who's going to be handling all the different aspects of my business? Who's going to be handling the operations? Who's going to be handling the accounting, the legal, the taxes, all of it? Well, guess what? You're probably going to be handling all of it to start. And that's not a bad thing. Just make sure you manage it and make sure you have an actionable plan in place in the future when you expand and when you need somebody else to handle that. You're probably not going to be handling taxes right up front, but you want to make sure you have an accountant that's literate, that doesn't screw you over, and that knows your business and actually does well on taxes and accounting. Okay? You may just need a bookkeeper to start. That bookkeeper, once you get your systems in place and you get going, will probably turn into an accountant. Okay? Make sure that legally they are certified to be a certified public accountant and they're not just some bookkeeper claiming they are. Been there, done that, and it was horrible. Anyways, all the other items, taxes, they'll normally handle that. Operations, okay? When you get big enough, you want to have operations be a second section. Your marketing, that's a whole different department, okay? Your sales, still yet another department. Your sales and marketing, probably going to butt heads on certain things, but guess what? Those are actually two separate departments. These are things that you need to be aware of. Key point, some of my businesses, and a professional tip here, what I've done right off the bat with every one of my brands, and I teach this in some of my courses, is take your brand and when you're doing email addresses, sales at whatever your website is, info at whatever your website is, accounting at whatever your website is. You get the point here? Contact at, I'm already breaking it up into different departments. Why does that work? When the customer contacts my website, in their mind, I have a 7-story building. The bottom does all the shipping and receiving, shipping at whatever your website is. And then the accounting's in a different department and blah, blah, blah. But that's just the customer that thinks that. They don't know how big my business is. In some of those businesses, it's been a house with a garage. I pick the phone up, hey, I got to check with my warehouse manager. And I literally walk in the garage myself. You're not shamming a customer here, if that's even a word to say. All you're doing is setting yourself up for future success and compartmentalizing, however you want to say it, your different sections, so that when you move into those sections, you could turn that email address over and have your team run that. You can turn the shipping department over, have your team run that. You get the point here. Hope this success series helped you out tremendously. Leave comments in the section below, and we will make sure to address those as they come in. And until the next success series, I'm Chris Craze. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you later.